Hello friends, in the previous video we talked about composition of a media in plant tissue culture. Now in this video we will talk about concept of totipotency. First of all, what is the meaning of totipotency? Toti means total or we can say entire. Potency means potential. Excel जिसमें total potential है. Now, what is totipotency? Totipotency is the genetic potential of plant cell to produce the entire plant. In other words, totipotency is the cell characteristic in which the potential for forming all the cell types in the adult organism is retained. एक सेल जो डिफ्रेंशिएट हो चुका है और वो डिवाइड हो सकता है और पूरा का पूरा प्लांट बना सकता है, इसी पूरे प्रोसेस को हम टोटिपोटेंसी बोलते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज टोटिपोटेंट सेल? टोटिपोटेंट सेल हैज़ कैपेसिटी टू फॉर्म एन एंटायर प्लांट. जो डिफ्रेंशिएटेड सेल है वो डिवाइड हो सकता है और एक नया प्लांट बना सकता है. इसी डिफ्रेंशिएटेड सेल को हम टोटिपोटेंट सेल बोलते हैं. Now, importance of totipotent cell in plant science. The ultimate objective in plant protoplast, cell and tissue culture is the reconstruction of plants from the totipotent cell. Although the process of differentiation is still mysterious in general, the expression of totipotent cell in culture has provided a lot of information. On the other hand, the totipotentiality of somatic cells has been exploited in vegetative propagation of many economical, medicinal as well as agriculturally important plant species. Therefore, from fundamental to applied aspect of plant biology, cellular totipotency is highly important. Recent trends of plant tissue culture include genetic modification of plants, production of a homozygous diploid plants through haploid cell culture, somatic hybridization and mutation, etc. The success of all these studies depends upon the expression of totipotency. Plant breeders, horticulturalists and commercial plant growers are now more interested in plant tissue culture only for the exploitation of totipotent cells in culture according to their desirable requirements. Totipotent cells within a bite of callus tissue can be stored in liquid nitrogen for a long period. Therefore, for germplasm prevention of endangered plant species, totipotency can be utilized successfully. Now, history of totipotency. Gottlieb Heberlein, a German botanist, in 1902 has first time given the concept of cellular totipotency in plant body. He tried to grow isolated green cells of leaves but failed to achieve this success. Later, in 1950, F.E. Stewart got success in providing the cellular totipotency. He took the 2 mg slice of phloem tissue of carrot root and grown in a liquid nutrient medium containing coconut water. The part of plant is taken for tissue culture is known as explants, that is, phloem tissue of carrot root. The liquid nutrient medium containing explant was allowed some time or some hour for shaking. Then the culture cell divide continuously to form mass of undifferentiated tissue known as callus. Some of this cell cluster started differentiating the initial of root. When it transferred to semi-solid medium, then it developed shoot system and give rise to new plant. These plant then transfer to pot or soil where they develop into flowering plant. Stewart experiments shows that in plant even mature can de-differentiate, divide, come together, re-differentiate and produce a new plant. Plant tissue derived from root, stem, leaf, vegetative bud, floral bud, anther and embryo can exhibit cellular totipotency. This is all about Steward experiment showing totipotency of cells in carrot. Thank you.